So this is what I eat in a day as an adventurous sea kayaker who lost 30 kilos and keeping them off. So I start my day with coffee with milk, which doesn't count as intermittent fasting, but who cares? So here it is. Just so you can see, it's got coffee. And I have already had one of these, which also doesn't count as intermittent fasting. It's a organic ginger and turmeric shot. I don't like to eat in the morning, so, and this is where I am just now. But it's time to go home just for one night and to earn some peanuts. To be continued. And now I'm ready to go and just finished Kong Strong. Well, I'm not eating anything right now, but it's insane, no? Hello. Guys, you are not going to believe this. I made it back home on time, and I had a supermarket. I still have supermarket job 2 days a week, and I discovered that there is now music. So I have sound sensitivities. I'm autistic and I have ADHD, and all the sounds, well, anyway, it doesn't matter. So that's one thing I cannot handle. Everything already sounds to me, you know, in a supermarket like a and with the music something happened. My heart was going, and I became more and more distressed, and I couldn't speak, you know, with people, and I was just trying to work. I mean, put my head down and just, you know, keep scanning, and just I was saying to myself, Denise, it'll be fine. Just calm down. Well, no, I wanted to scream out very loud. So, and when I started to feel tears in my eyes, I just knew that I cannot just stay there until I get full-blown panic attack. So I couldn't breathe. So anyway, I told the boss that I'm overwhelmed, you know, and I have to go and I need to sort out something, you know, like, I guess, you know. So here I am. This is the same day, by the way, and I still haven't eaten anything. But I'm going to do that now. Isn't this mental though? Even for a neurotypical person, and I'm neurodivergent. What the fuck? Well, I'm way too overwhelmed from this day, so I'm going to have chunky nut crisp. That's all I can manage right now. And bulk, that's pure whey protein. I cannot speak. Tiramisu. So, see, a scoop of that, boom. And with some skimmed milk, Scottish. Right. Well, I'm still overwhelmed, so I need to go to the shop. I will go to the shop, but I'm just having mackerel fillets and spring water meanwhile. That's just for some protein and for maybe clearer mind to go to the shop because it's overwhelming. Well, it's nearly 8 o'clock and I suppose I'm just way too hungry to just go to the shop still. So I am having mozzarella just like that. I really like to eat it like that. It's only got actually about 200 calories and about 22 grams of protein. So that's very good. Cheers. So I decided to have another ginger and turmeric shot. Ah, I feel renewed. That ginger and turmeric has a kick. Ah. And you know what? I'll have a protein bar. It's got 166 calories and 22.5 grams of protein. And like 2 grams of sugar. 1 gram of sugar. So it's pretty good. But I promise I'm going to the shop and I'm going to buy some vegetables and some more protein like meat or fish. So I continue snacking. This is goat's cheese. Or should I just eat all this? Doesn't look very good, does it? Well, the cheese does, but the shape, you know. Anyway. Okay, that's just third slice. Enough. I could eat it all. So I have bought a steak because maybe I need some iron. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Right. And I will add some potatoes. So finally I'm eating something proper. So it's beef steak with some goat's cheese, rocket, mushrooms, and reduced salt and sugar ketchup. Ooh. Lovely. And now I'm eating frozen cherries. Just like that. They are supposed to be sweet. Not very sweet, but nice. Well, more carbs before bed. More chunky, not crisp. And a late night protein bar and milk. And that's the last thing. Good night. What a day.